Hey guys, I am in the sunny San Diego, California, and today I am going on my own personal food tour where I'm going to start off with breakfast, lunch, and then end it with some drinks outside. So first off, we're going to the Doughnut bar for their world famous donuts. Then we're getting some authentic Mexican cuisine. Then we're going to end off the day with getting some drinks outside and enjoy local beers and wine. So I'm hungry, so let's go. Hey guys, so we made it to the Doughnut bar in San Diego. I've heard nothing but great things about this place. I'm usually not really into donuts. I mean, of course they're delicious, but I had to make an exception and have these donuts because this is the best donut shop in America. It's been on Food Network, it's been all over the place. So we have a classic Homer's donut, a maple bacon, and a strawberry split, which is like strawberry cream. So we are about to dig in. First donut, the Homer's. It is a cake batter, cream frosting, constant donut. So moist and delicious. We have the maple bacon donut. I've never had one like this before. So the bacon is, you can tell that it's freshly cooked. Look at all that bacon. Okay, and now this gigantic one that's literally the size of my head is called the strawberry split, and there's cinnamon sugar on top, cream, and strawberries. I don't even know how I'm supposed to eat this, but here we go. Oh my god. I think this one's my favorite. Are you struggling over there? So we got far too many donuts to eat in one sitting, so we're gonna save the rest, but by far our favorite is the strawberry split. Like I said, it's got like a cinnamon sugar coating on top. So good, so good. And the maple bacon one surprised me. I really like that. I would definitely repurchase that one again. But as you've seen downstairs, they have probably like 20 different donuts, and so whatever you're craving, you can get here. Next stop on our foodie tour in San Diego, we are at Lucha Libre, and we are sitting at the VIP booth, which means, I really don't know what it means, but we are about to find out. I'm ready for some tacos and some burritos, and it's Taco Tuesday, so here we go. So we got all of these different kinds of salsas when you're at the VIP table, and I think they are available right next to the fountain soda, and every single one of them is so good. Not too hot, a lot of flavor, it's delicious. Okay, you guys didn't get to see my first bite, but we got the seafood burrito. It has mahi and black beans, and I put some guacamole on that. And then we have the classic California burrito, which has French fries in it, my favorite food of all time, and chicken and pico. Delicious. This was voted one of the best burritos in all of San Diego. So you have to come to Lucha Libre, get the VIP table where you get full service and that big old thing of chips and dip. The food was absolutely delicious. I am so full. Dominic actually finished this burrito. We split California burrito and the seafood burrito. That way we can try both, and I couldn't finish either one. It was so good. The line is literally out the door this whole time that we've been here, so it's worth checking out. Delicious food, great service. So since we just finished that big Mexican meal, we are now at the Stone Brewing World Bistro and Garden, and we are outside. It's not sunny out, but you know, it's still California. California weather is perfect, and Dominic and I are going to enjoy local beer, and I'm gonna have the wine. So I got something a little outside of my comfort zone, and this is a ginger wine. I've heard of a ginger beer, and that's delicious, but my first smell of it, very gingery. first taste is Chardonnay, and then it finishes with some ginger. If you like ginger, you can try a ginger wine, something new.